Welcome, General. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has issued a DEFCON 2 alert. The reported situation is as follows. 15 Chinese J-15 carrier-class escort fighters flew alongside 30 Russian Tu-95 long-range nuclear bombers across international airspace in the Arctic region when multiple early warning systems were reported down or destroyed, followed by scattered reports from Pacific and Northern garrisons reporting high casualty events. United States Central Command has reason to believe the reported hostile contacts were not acting alone. CENTCOM has reason to suspect new stealth technology was used to hide the planes and/or ordnance used to destroy radar and early warning systems that would have otherwise detected inbound aircraft. Your new directive is as follows. Observe all new inbound marks across NATO satellite and standard detection networks. Report any new or suspicious contacts not marked with proper indicators to Mark Friendly Forces to the Cheyenne Complex Director. And contact all continental and overseas air traffic control centers on the west coast of the United States and within the Pacific region and give them a brief description of the situation, along with their crisis time standard operating procedure. Pacific automated communication systems are down as of now. More updates will follow. Please keep your terminal active at all times. Updated directive is as follows. Attention all personnel. This message is directly from the Office of the President. All stations will broadcast this message to Charlie level facilities and higher. Multiple tactical nuclear warheads have been detonated in and around the following areas: Seoul, Pyongyang, Berlin, Warsaw, Moscow, Bucharest, Delhi, Tokyo, Paris, Oslo, Stockholm, Helsinki, and London. EWS across the United States have detected hundreds of confirmed ICBM launches directed toward the mainland United States. Your new objectives are as follows. Ensure the delivery of the United States nuclear arsenal to the following countries: the Russian Federation, the People's Republic of China, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, the Republic of Belarus, and the Islamic Republic of Iran. By order of the President of the United States, move to DEFCON 1 and activate Scenario MXC in 91, Total Nuclear Retaliation, Authentication Whiskey Echo Alpha Lima Lima Delta India Echo. Your second objective is to seal yourselves in your facilities for 3 to 5 weeks, and then execute the carrying out of the reconstruction of the United States government by all means necessary. This concludes this final act message. May God be with us all, and God bless the United States. Executing shutdown procedure.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. More instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Office of the President. This is not a test. At 10:15 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, The North American Aerospace Defense Command detected multiple intercontinental ballistic missile launches headed for the continental United States. The estimated time until impact is 15 minutes. At this time, please assemble a survival kit consisting of 2 weeks worth of food, water purification tablets, battery-powered or hand-crank radios and flashlights, cold weather clothing, blankets, and all other essential life-saving equipment such as medical kits, and seek shelter in an underground location. The ideal shelter location is in basements at least 3 feet fully underground. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear detonations, and is extremely fatal if exposed to it in large quantities, or for prolonged amounts of time. Please tune to 168.55 MHz to receive essential news and updates from local and federal authorities. This message will repeat.